Hello, we learn to draw a bear in this video. To draw a bear, we make a circle at the corner of sheet. Then draw two U shapes on the top of the circle. For the ear of bear. Now make D shape in 180 degrees angle in the middle of circle. After this, draw two small shapes side by side in the circle and make two more small shapes inside them. Then draw a line just below the nose shape and make a curved line at the end of the small line. Now draw two lines, soft lines, on the both side of nose. Face of our bear is done. For the body shape, sketch a big curvy line that start with end of ear shape and just below the face. This line start from the ear, just below the ear, and this shape is end at the face, lower part of face. Now draw two lines side by side for the leg of bear and join them with a curve and make a parting between the curve for the foot shape of bear. Draw same type of lines for the second leg. Now draw a line for tummy of bear and after a small line we make another leg shape of bear. Before this, we make the body shape of it. Just observe the sketch in the video and follow the steps for the bear illustration. Just one leg left of bear. Bear's body and leg shape is done. Now go to the end of its body and make a big curvy shape for the tail of bear. Now pencil sketch is done. Our pencil sketch is done. We start to finalize the shape of bear. We should follow the same steps which we follow with pencil for finalizing our illustration. Always final your image with a pen, marker or sketch pen, whichever you want. It gives a nice and neat look to your illustration. Just make the line properly. Now make ears of bear. First we finalize the face. Now we draw the body of bear and legs, foots. Step by step. Do the pen line in small steps. Now make the shape of body. It's a big curve, so do it in small steps and use your pen and hand very freely. Draw a line with your pen in a flow. You find a very smooth and neat line. Body shape is almost done. Draw the last leg. Now draw the upper side of body. Make a line. Yes. And draw a tail with pen. So sketching of our bear is done. Erase the pencil line. Bye-bye.